Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stories not showing on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve stories not showing on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. You will find manage storage, but don't click here just if you want to click or to clear your data or your informations of about this Telegram or about this application of Telegram. So please don't forget to support us.